कंटेम्प्ट से हाथ बचने के लिए आपने ये लिखवाया।
लक्ष्य
अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर किसके अथॉरिटी से दिया उन्होंने?
लक्ष्य ये जो आदेश हमने फाइल किया है एफिडेविट के साथ,
जैसे आप अभी कंडीशन पढ़ के सुना रहे हो, जब आप कंटेम्प्ट में फाइल दिया था तो कंडीशन पढ़ा नहीं था बेसिस और ये चालाकी से कंडीशन डाल दिया तो आपने डिस्पोज करा दिया कंटेम्प्ट पिटीशन। आज भी कमिश्नर बुला लूंगा आप कमिश्नर को, आप इनका अपॉइंटमेंट दीजिए तुरंत। The matter is serious that the officer who has issued the appointment letter be present as to why contempt proceedings be not initiated against the said officer for misleading the court by following such false documents in order to evade the proceedings of contempt proceedings.
सीईओ जिला पंचायत को डायरेक्शन दिया था लक्ष्य।
हाँ,
उन्होंने अपॉइंटमेंट ऑर्डर, she was not the party in earlier petition or this petition also lordship, and the impugned order of appointment which was later on cancelled was also not filed by him, her lordship.
because but she is holding the post.
She is CEO Jila Panchayat lordship. She is not party, and the order of appointment and compliance report in contempt was filed by Commissioner Tribal Affairs. It was subject to approval. Lordship, kindly see the.
पहले ही बताओ कि कंटेम्प्ट जो फाइल किया था वो इशूड द अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर।
Appointment order by earlier CEO जनपद पंचायत
है ना?
जनपद पंचायत के
उसमें क्या कहीं अप्रूवल लिया था कि उन्होंने कि डायरेक्ट कर दिया था उन्होंने पानी?
नहीं, it was subject to as per condition number 9 of the appointment order lordship. It was
कहाँ लिखा था वो?
at page 17 of their petition lordship. Annexure P1. Yes, page 17 पे कंडीशन नंबर 9 है लॉर्डशिप। आयुक्त इंदौर संभाग इंदौर के अनुमोदन पश्चात ही यह नियुक्ति वैध ऑब्लिक मान्य होगी। And
कंडीशन नंबर
lordship. And thereafter they sought directions from the commissioner, the Indore division, and they have received lordship. We have filed affidavit of the officer present before your lordship. Today we have filed this.
They are saying that they have cancelled this appointment letter.
Because lordship posts of some this assistant grade 3 is not available, and CEO Janpad Panchayat Sendwa lordship, it is on record lordship.
कहाँ पर है?
आज फाइल किया है।
इसमें तो नहीं आया यार फिर भी आपने जब वहां पर एक बार अपॉइंटमेंट दे के कंटेम्प्ट से हाथ बचने के लिए आपने ये लिखवाया।
लॉर्डशिप,
Where is the note sheet that by which authority she has written this? अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर किसकी अथॉरिटी से दिया उन्होंने?
लॉर्डशिप, ये जो आदेश हमने फाइल किया है एफिडेविट के साथ।
यानी ये बताना ये अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर इसका इशू किया था, whether it was by some approval। ये 16/1 को किसने अप्रूव किया था?
यस,
ये 16/1/25 को अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर लेकर दिया है,
यस,
ये किसके तहत किया है पास?
ये लॉर्डशिप कमिश्नर ट्राइबल अफेयर्स।
नहीं, ये ऑर्डर जो आपने ये तो कार्यालय जनपद पंचायत सेंधवा ने पास किया है 16/1/25।
यस लॉर्डशिप।
Who has passed this order and by under what authority? पहले
ऑप्शनल। यस, इट इज नॉट अप्रूव्ड।
तो ये आपने कंटेम्प्ट पिटीशन के रिप्लाई में दिया था,
यस,
ये प्रोविजनल लिखा था कि
ये सब्जेक्ट टू अप्रूवल लिखा है।
आपने रिप्लाई में जब आपने लिखा था तो आपने लिखा था दिस इज प्रोविजनल सब्जेक्ट टू अप्रूवल बाय द कमिश्नर।
यस लॉर्डशिप।
कंटेम्प्ट में लिखा है क्या?
इसमें ऑर्डर नहीं है लॉर्डशिप।
मैडम ऑर्डर के लिए हाँ पढ़िए जरा, कहाँ है उसका कंप्लायंस में क्या लिखा है?
They are saying
ये देखो, in compliance with the opposite order, the CEO Janpad Panchayat District Barwani has rightly considered the matter of the petitioner, issued an appropriate speaking order 16 deciding and thereby granted compassionate appointment to the petitioner. लिखा है कि this is subject to the approval of the commissioner.
इसमें नहीं लिखा है. It is
इसका मतलब है this is misleading. अब आप उसको evade करा. No.
on the part of
In order to dispose of the contempt petition, you have misled the court and you have said we have given the appointment. Then after the disposal of the contempt petition, you have withdrawn the appointment order stating therein that the commissioner has not granted the approval. आज भी कमिश्नर बुला लूंगा कमिश्नर को, आप इनका अपॉइंटमेंट दीजिए तुरंत.
Lordship, we have submitted in our Lordship that post is also not.
The officer, we will start department inquiry against this officer. Who has passed this? ये 16/25 को ऑर्डर किसने पास किए हैं?
See, जनपद पंचायत.
Sim Chauhan नाम है.
बुला लीजिए उनको. We issue contempt and we'll ask the department to proceed departmentally against him for playing fraud with the court. ठीक है. Otherwise, granting the appointment. और यहाँ नहीं दोगे तो कहीं देना पड़ेगा आपको उनको. ऐसा तो नहीं दोगे. You have the, है ना?
Kindly grant us 15 days time, Lordship. We will act
Yes.
accordingly, and failing which this officer will.
हाँ उनको बता देना.
Yes,
उनको
Lordship.
बिल्कुल बता देना. इसमें लिखवा भी देता हूँ मैं. इसमें लिखना हर्ड. इसमें लिखना in compliance to the order dated 27/4/26. और इसमें what is the justification to cancel उन्होंने लिखा?
Lordship, because post
Whether-
earlier they were.
That before filing the, before issuing the appointment order, why didn't he seek the approval of the commissioner? कभी ऐसा होता है कि appointment की approval-
Uh, normally in their official routine, they file, they.
Who is the appointing authority? First tell us, who is the appointing authority? The CEO.
Yes, Lordship.
जब post होगी तभी तो उसने appoint किया ना.
नहीं पोस्ट नहीं थी लॉर्डशिप. यही बात क्लेरिफाई हुआ है और इस ऑर्डर में जो आज हमने पेश किया है माननीय न्यायालय के समक्ष,
भाई उस समय उसको
उसमें हमने
not
clarify
a
किया है.
chief executive officer.
Deceased employee was not इस उनका
You should have, why should
नहीं हुआ.
mislead the court by saying that we have granted
It
the
was a
appointment?
mistake, Lordship.
It's not a mistake.
Yes, Lordship.
We will see how it is a mistake. थोड़ी होता.
It was stated on the
And who has drafted it? आप लोगों ने नहीं देखा था कंडीशन. जैसे आप अभी कंडीशन पढ़ के सुना रहे हो, जब आप कंटेंट में फाइल दिया था तो कंडीशन पढ़ा नहीं था कि दिस इज ओरिजिनल. ये चालाकी से कंडीशन डाल दिया तो आपने डिस्पोज करा दिया कंटेंट पिटीशन. और आप
It is a routine.
रूटीन है तो why did you say?
Yes, Lordship. It is a, it is a bona fide mistake.
अच्छा ये बता, एक बार अपॉइंटमेंट देके इट इज सब्जेक्ट टू अप्रूवल. हैव यू सीन एनी अपॉइंटमेंट ऑर्डर व्हिच इज सब्जेक्ट टू अप्रूवल बाय द अथॉरिटी?
As per my instructions,
देयर इज इट इज रिटन इन अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर में कहीं लिखा है ऊपर की प्रोविजनल है
appointment order में
से आप उसको दीजिए.
हेडिंग में नहीं लिखा है.
You are not concerned with that, you will have to give the appointment to that petitioner. Or otherwise you are ready to all the officers in the department.
Time may kindly be granted. We will see the availability of the post and accordingly we will act.
इसमें लिख लीजिए कि on 1/4/26 this court directed to file an affidavit to the effect that how the petitioner's appointment has been cancelled as the in order to evade the proceedings of the contempt petition, it appears that the respondent chief executive officer has issued the appointment order and cunningly at the footnote has written that the said appointment shall be subject to the approval of the commissioner, whereas in the entire order there is no whisper to the effect that it is a provisional appointment and it is unheard of in service jurisprudence that any appointment is provisionally given which is subject to the approval of a higher authority. It is clear that this chief executive officer has played fraud by the court in the contempt proceedings and after extending the benefit of appointment to the petitioner on compassionate ground has now withdrawn the said order stating therein that the commissioner has not approved the said post. The matter is serious. Let the officer who has issued the appointment letter be present. Mr. क्या नाम है उनका?
Sim Chauhan.
Ran Singh Chauhan be present before this court as to as to why contempt proceedings be not initiated against the said officer for misleading the court by following such false documents in order to evade the proceedings of contempt proceedings. If the reply is not justified, the officer shall also be directed to the right departmentally for his conduct before this court. List the case after 4 weeks. आप किससे लगाना 16 तारीख 16-17 में इस दोनों को लगाना से तो अपॉइंटमेंट इन्फॉर्म कर दो कंपैशनल ग्राउंड का है
Yes, Lordship.
इतना बड़ा इशू नहीं है
Yes, Lordship.
ये सब करने की आवश्यकता ही नहीं थी आपको पोस्ट नहीं था आप रुक जाते लेकिन ऐसा थोड़ी कि
तो गलती से उनको
गलती नहीं है
Lordship को
डोंट टेल अस ऐसा थोड़ी होता है आप लोग कितना
Instead
किसी
of
के साथ
taking tax
किसी
cut,
के-
he is firing.
अगर इनके साथ ऐसा हुआ तो क्या करते हैं but he has lost somebody because of that he is getting a compassion appointment and on top of that you are playing fraud you are not issuing the compassion bond on time here he is constrained to file contempt petition there also you play mischief with the court and after that he withdraw
Even consider करने का order था उनसे
show the appointment letter then why you are an officer chief executive officer है he does not know कि यहाँ पोस्ट है कि नहीं डिफर कर देता कुछ समय के लिए कि जब पोस्ट होगी हम बुला लेंगे
Yes,
but why did he play this fraud with the post
not fraud Lordship,
Fraud
it
नहीं है।
is dead Lordship.
it was not a mistake उन्होंने सोचा कंटेंट किसी तरह बहाने से निकल जान दो
से उन
प्रोविजनल if it was a provisional appointment letter उसके ऊपर लिखा रहता कि अस्थायी
Yes, Lordship. वो शीर्षक में लिखना चाहिए था उनको कि
यही लिखा होगा तो ये बदमाशी नहीं
ये
है
उनकी गलती है
गलती नहीं है बदमाशी है
क्योंकि ये कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस तो आए ही हैं अगर
let
उन्होंने
us see
जानबूझ के नहीं
let
किया
us see if he is facing a departmental inquiry how hard he will face let us see yes next in the presence dispense कर देना अभी जो present है
Yes, Lordship.
The present CEO may not appear before the court on the next date, since the person who has issued this appointment letter is required to come before this court. Therefore, the presence of the present CEO dispense with. Actually,
Mobilize Lordship.